Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, if you didn't know that already, and I have been off for so long, so I am so sorry that it's taken so long to upload a video. I just uploaded one a couple days ago, so go ahead and check that one out, but I am really trying to get onto a schedule so that I can upload more often. If you guys have ideas of things that you want to see or anything like that, like I always say, definitely let me know in the comments below and I will try to make that. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing of this month's BOXYCHARM. So I have a subscription to BOXYCHARM and I've talked about it before and I really love it. It just really gives you a chance to try out different products that you may not have purchased otherwise, or just things you didn't really know about. And I found some of my favorite products through here, things that I've tried and I'm like, oh my god, how did I not hear about it before? It's really inexpensive too. It's only $21 a month and you get full-size items, and they're all like high-end type makeup items. So definitely check it out if you haven't. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this month's theme is eye candy, and I think it's super cute. It's just this little pamphlet, and once you open it up, it has a list of all the different products that you got in your box, and they always have a theme, and it just makes it a little bit more fun. So that's something that I really like. I actually created this whole makeup look creating products that I received in the box. So my eyeshadow, my lips, my brows, those are all, I use products from this box. So it's something that I really like doing every month, just using the products that I get, because otherwise who knows if I'll use it, I'll forget about it and stuff and whatnot. So this way it forces me to use it and really try it out, and so that I can give you guys like a true first impression. So the first product that I got is this MAC Lip Tensity lipstick. Mine is in the shade Burnt Violet, so that's the shade that I'm wearing right now. It's just a very dark purple color. This item retails for $21, so already that's the cost of the box. So just with this one product, you're getting your money back from what you paid for the box. And it's a twist up lipstick. It's really nice. I don't know that I really love the applicator or the way it applies, just because it like seemed kind of messy, so I took a brush and applied it with the brush and it seemed to make it a lot better. But it's a really pretty color. It's just really dark, so keep that in mind. But again, it's called Burnt Violet, so what are you really expecting from it other than a dark color? But I really like this one, so I'm sure I'll be using it again. It seems very comfortable on my lips. It doesn't seem like dry or like anything like that, so I'm really liking it. I'll keep wearing it for a couple hours and see how it does from there, but so far it's really nice. The next product that I got is actually this eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. So they had put a spoiler out saying that everyone was going to be receiving a ColourPop palette, and I was super excited about it because I have multiple ColourPop palettes. I love them. They're always such a great formula and they work so well, and they're super affordable. Like, you really cannot beat the price for the quality. This eyeshadow palette is the Element of Surprise palette, and I actually already have this palette, so I didn't use this one. I used the one that I already have. So I'll show you that. But the colors are just so pretty. It has a lot of mattes, a lot of shimmers. In this look, I actually use these two light brown shades here as like my transition colors. And then I put these dark colors here. They're like a dark purple and brown. Those are what I use to create kind of the cut crease. And then I use these two shimmers. This bottom one here, that's kind of a red, and then this more like rose gold shimmer as well. This palette is honestly one of my favorite palettes. I use it all the time, especially when I'm traveling, because it really just has a variety of different shades. You can create so many different looks, and when I travel, especially if I'm only going to be gone a couple days, I just want to take one palette that has everything that I need in it, put it in my bag and be good to go. And this is one of those palettes that you can do it with. So it's really one that you should check out if you haven't checked it out already. And it even has like those pop of colors, so it has that really pretty purple like shimmer shade and then that hot pink color as well. And this palette retails at $16, and honestly you can't beat that price. There's 12 different shades in here, and it's decent pan sizes too. It's probably about the same, around the same size as what I pay for as what I get in like some of my higher end eyeshadow palettes, where I'm paying $40 for an eyeshadow palette. and this is $16. Like seriously, check out ColourPop and you will not be disappointed, I promise. The next product that I got in my box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner. I think the name's kind of funny. It's a vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. I've only used this mask once so far and it seemed nice. I really need to use it a couple more times to get a really good idea of how well it works. But I've used Dr. Brandt products before and I've never been disappointed. One of my favorite products is actually this luminizer primer, which I actually got in another BOXYCHARM box, and I use it all the time. So I just need to kind of try this out a little bit more and see how it does, how it really, like, if it pulls like impurities and dirt and gunk and whatnot out of your pores. This product retails for $47, so it's again a really good deal. You far exceeded the cost of what you paid for the box with 3 products, and there's still 2 more that you're getting. This next product that I got is actually the Brow Gal Tinted Brow Gel. And honestly, I'm not sure how often I'm going to use this product because it is for light hair, and if you can't tell, my hair is not light at all. It's very dark brown. So I used it a little bit and it wasn't too light. During the summer my hair gets a little bit lighter, so it may be something that I'll use more during the summer, just like to quickly fill in my brows and call it a day, because it, like, the formula seemed really good, but because of how dark my hair is right now, I had to go in just with my normal brow products to fill it in afterwards. But it holds the shape well, so I'm kind of indifferent about it. Like I said, the formula seems really good, but it's just that color is not a good color for me. And this product retails at $22. The last product that I got is actually these brushes. It's a 2 brush set. These are from a company called SL Miss Glam. And to be honest, when I saw these in my box, I was so excited. I've wanted to try out these brushes for the longest time, but they're super expensive. I want to say I looked into it in like a set of brushes, which it was a lot of brushes, probably like 20 brushes or so, but I want to say it was like $300 or $200 or something crazy like that. And I was like, there's no way, like, I can't spend that money. I'm gonna have to justify to my fiance why I'm spending money on makeup brushes, and the conversation's not gonna go over well if I'm spending $300 on makeup brushes. So I haven't gotten them. I've seen them, wanted to try them, and just never did it. So when I saw these, I was super excited because I really wanted to try them out, and they are so soft and they're so pretty. Sorry, they're dirty because I used them, but you can see it has little gems in it, and they're just these really pretty lilac and pink colors, and they work so well. I used this one, the fluffy brush, to put my transition shade into my crease, and then I used the more like the flat top brush to put the dark brown into like my outer corners, and then to take the purple that I used to really like spread it in to create that crease color as well. So I am a fan of these. I'm sure I'm going to be using them all the time. These brushes for the set retails at $38.50. Like I said, they are kind of pricey for the brushes, so keep that in mind, but I really like them. And again, an awesome deal. I got it in my box that I paid $21 for, so I really can't beat that price. So again, for this box I paid $21. It's a monthly subscription. You pay $21, yada yada yada. I explained that before, but the total value of this month's box was $144.50. And that's crazy to me. I just got $144 worth of products for $21. And so far there hasn't been a ton of products that I'm just like, I absolutely hate this. Every single month there's at least 2 products I'd say that I love, and I actually use them fairly often, which for $21 to get even 2 products that you love is a great deal. But I really feel like if you try it out, you will really like this box. So you should check it out, and if you do have a subscription to BOXYCHARM, let me know down below what items you got in your box, if you got a different palette, what you really liked, what you didn't like, things like that, because I love to hear what other people got in their boxes, just because there's so many different variations. Like, I know my best friend has this same subscription service, and she got a different palette. She didn't get the MAC lipstick, she got something else. So just kind of different products like that. So that is April's BOXYCHARM box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.